Hello and welcome. We will handle one topic. The topic is the design of information security controls. We will be responding to this question. What are the business risk scenarios? Why are business risk scenarios preferred over business impact analysis for designing security controls? How do business risk scenarios help in designing information security controls? Let's delve into. Information security controls should be primarily designed based on business risk scenarios, which help identify and prioritize significant threats and vulnerabilities that may affect an organization's information asset and business objectives. Business risk scenarios are hypothetical situations that describe the possible sources, the possible events and consequences of security breach, as well as the likelihood, the impact of the occurrence. These scenarios can help align information security controls with business needs, assess the effectiveness of the existing controls, and select and implement appropriate controls and evaluate the return on investment of the controls. Business risk scenario can also ensure that information security controls support the achievement of organization's strategic goals and mission. To go further, we can say information security controls should not be designed primarily based on business impact analysis, should not be designed primarily based on regulatory requirement or vulnerability assessment, as these are secondary, these are complementary factors. To go in detail, I should say, business impact analysis is a method of estimating the potential effect of disruption or disaster on critical business functions and processes, but it does not identify or address specific risks and threats. Regulatory requirement, for example, regulatory requirement establish the minimum level of information security controls an organization must implement, but they do not reflect the organization's specific needs and challenges. A vulnerability assessment, on the other side, identifies, analyzes weaknesses in information system and assets, but does not consider the business context or impact of the issues. Business risk scenario provide a more comprehensive approach to designing information security controls by considering the likelihood and the impact of security breaches and organization-specific needs and challenges. To conclude, I should say, by using business risk scenario, organizations can ensure that their information security controls are effective, are efficient, and align with their business objectives. As you got the point of this topic, our last question is, what is the primary basis for designing information security controls? Thank you for your attention and your time. See you next.